Welcome back. We're in my order packing area and I did just end the previous vlog and I had like signed off for the day and told you what I was going to do. And literally moments after I ended the clip, I got a huge order of stickers delivered and I brought them up in my Hulken because it was such a big box and I had other stuff to carry. This might be the largest shipment of stickers I've ever received. I swear, I don't think it even was that many. Maybe they just like put it in a larger box, but I gotta get a tripod situation going in here. So I'll clarify, this is not my largest sticker order ever. It's just the largest box that ever came in. I do save all my packaging, which is nice because I'm sure I'll use this in the future. So I'm adding her to the stack. A lot of the stickers I ordered are some of my most popular, so I'm restocking these. And then I'll need to restock them on my website also. I just noticed I didn't get one of the stickers I really need. So I always have to check if that was my fault, which is entirely possible, or they didn't get sent to me. My printer was not working and now I think it is. Oh. Okay, I did forget to order the sticker I really needed. No, that's a bummer. I will order those now, and I just took a look to see what else I need because it just makes more sense for me to order multiple designs at once. Okay, I got those reordered. It probably wouldn't be very fun if I unboxed all these stickers and didn't show you which ones came in. I'll quickly go through them. Usually I would like show you these and tell you the name, but let me tell you a fun fact about each one. Camelback Mirage. Camelback is the mountain in Arizona I have painted most often. Out of today's order, these are the two newest stickers in my collection. We have Vibrant Voyage and Camelback Cowgirl. Speaking of Camelback, this is a cowgirl boot with the mountain, and I really love this sticker. It has all of these daisy details that I drew, and then I added my watercolor into there. And Vibrant Voyage is inspired by Jake's Jeep. I have the two of us in there. And this sticker has so many little details. I incorporated a lot of my other pieces of art on the license plate, the bumper stickers, the wheel cover. That one I love. It's from my new Way Out West collection. Fun fact about my Phoenix license plate, the number 12 is in the corner of all the Arizona license plate designs because Arizona became a state in 1912. This roller disco sticker is from my Desert Disco collection. And initially when I released that collection, this was not a sticker. And then I colored it for the artwork on my calendar and I was like, wait, this would be a cute sticker. So I made it happen. And I actually have like the inverse sticker like this on that artwork, and I think I want to make that one into a sticker too because it's like a totally different colorway and like all the little details on the skate are different. These two, Technicolor Saguaro and Sweet Saguaro, are two of my earliest pieces. I painted this in my college bedroom. Some of you may have been around since then, which is wild. I actually saw this meme today because there's this trend on Instagram that you're supposed to post a photo of yourself at 21. And then I saw a meme that was like, instead of doing that, post a photo of your art at 21 so we can see how bad it was. And like, I thought about it and I was like, oh, I made like a lot of these pieces from my first collection at that age, and I thought that was exciting. And I remember at that time I had just like tapped into this style that felt so me, and it's very cool that 10 years later that has still resonated with me and you. I still enjoy those pieces, so I think it was like a soul thing. Very cool. Fun fact about this sticker, Technicolor Bloom from the same collection as Technicolor Saguaro. This is also one of my most popular pieces from that time. And the fun fact is that I have had this available at my events and many of my retailers sell it, but I don't have her online yet. And actually one of the stickers I just reordered, I don't have online either, and they're really popular. So that is something I need to add to my to-do list. Hummingbird Heart, fun fact, this is one of my ceramic paintings. And last but not least, we have my pink cowgirl boot. I also have a version of this that says Scottsdale. And fun fact about these, I've been painting so many cowgirl boots lately, but the first ones I ever made were a set of 4 in 2018. And I had quite recently pulled them out and been like, wait, these are so fun. Turned them into stickers, developed my whole Way Out West kind of Western vibes collection. I also have a cowgirl kaleidoscope collection. And it's fun that something I enjoyed 5-6 years ago, I am still feeling inspired by now, and I'm making new pieces. All right. I already restocked the shelves. Those only can fit like 3 to 4 packs of stickers. So the rest of these are gonna go in the little storage closet. This has been amazing for me. I have actual like overflow storage space that I never had before. But I do think I might be due to add more shelving in there. There's like 2 closet shelves already in there that were here. But I think I'm gonna be due for more. I'll probably put like a bookcase of some sorts in there, but that is a project for another day. And in the meantime, I have an order now to ship with all of these stickers that arrived. So that's what I'm gonna work on next. Oh my gosh, she's overflowing. Okay, let's get instead of doing that, let's get another box. All right, they are all counted now. So I'm gonna pack these up along with some other goodies. Good morning. I am shipping off these tiles today. They are all done. This is actually the first time I've seen them all together like this. It looks really cool. I think it would look cool if they were like staggered also. I should do that. Have like one of each like that. Oh, okay. Maybe I have to take a picture that way because that looks really cool. Hold on. Okay, that looks really cool. I just rearranged them. So now there's one of each in each quad. Oh, that is cool. That'd be so cool like as a table or something. These were definitely really challenging to paint. I think it's just like the material. You know, if you want to get like higher flow for your paint, you add more water, but then like the material was like a little bit absorbent. So I'm happy to have completed them. Okay, I'm gonna take a picture and then I have these sleeves for them and they're getting packed up and they all already have the cork on the back that I attached. I had YouTube going. I wanted to show you after I hung the calendar in here. The light is hitting it so pretty. I didn't even say hello yet today. I got the tiles packed up. I have this other order going out and Flat Stanley is in here. I had him for a little bit of time, so I'm sending him back first class so he gets to Minnesota faster. I just remembered I had another calendar to flip to February. Jake got me this for Christmas. It was a fundraiser for the Nashville Predators and like a dog adoption shelter. So it's pretty cute. And I hung it above this original. This is an interesting original because this is like a special watercolor canvas I was trying out for the first time and it really performed beautifully. I was filming just like with a podcast on and I had to literally stop just so I could comment on this. I have to keep painting while I talk so it doesn't dry. But oh my god, do you see how this is? You can hear it. Do you see how smooth this is going on? I have my fan on in the background, but I can literally hear how smooth this is on the canvas. Holy cow. I'm blown away. I have to say I had low expectations, kind of. I'm blown away. How many sizes does this canvas come in? I need it. And I have a collection upcoming that this will be a part of because it all is very cohesive, but yeah, I was gonna say if you could see it in person, but like you really can actually see how beautiful. It's like I was gonna say linen, but it's really just like this like fabric-y gorgeous canvas and like the paint doesn't even really bleed on it. Like it's just beautiful. So I thought the colors kind of went together there. Before I go, I have a couple fun things to tell you about. This is Paige from the future. I'm editing this vlog right now and wanted to tell you the day you're watching this, Wednesday, I have a art market this Saturday, Phoenix Flea. It's one of my biggest events. I do it twice a year in downtown Phoenix. It's from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. This is an awesome market full of over 130 artists, designers, curators. There will be food trucks. Phoenix Flea in the fall just celebrated its 10-year anniversary, and I've been a vendor for like 8 of those years, so the fun continues. I will have all kinds of goodies, my art, my new collections, a new release, which is exciting. I will include the details down below. And then the following Friday, so Phoenix Flea is March 2nd, on March 8th, I will be popping up in Nashville for International Women's Day. I'll be at the Graduate Hotel. Once again, I'll put all the details below. Myself and I think 5 or 6 other female-owned brands will be there, including TNT Goods. They're a really cool jewelry brand. I actually was booth neighbors with them at my first event in Nashville in October. So come find us there. There's also gonna be live music, and I checked out the artist and she has a cool like country pop vibe. I'm looking forward to that. The Graduate Hotel is like right in the heart of downtown Nashville, so I really wanted to share this one in advance because I know a lot of people travel to Nashville on the weekends. So maybe if you don't live there, you'll happen to be in town for the weekend. So that's Friday, March 8th, and I'd love to see you at either event. All right, thanks so much for watching. Vlogs are going up weekly, so I will see you in my next one. Bye.